how can you be a leader? How can you acquire leadership qualities in your academic institutions? Hello friends, a very good afternoon. I think you all are well. We have been taking discussions on youth and truth. As a part of this lecture, today's topic I'll take you that how can you be a leader? How can you acquire leadership qualities in your academic institutions? How you can lead your team. And it is very important that your leadership qualities are so very important in your life that if you succeed in these leading the people, then you always feel that you develop a sense of confidence, develop a sense of belonging to the particular organization. You feel that yes, I can lead the team. And how do you do that? You must have noticed that schools and colleges or in the universities, lot of your friends, a lot of students are very shy. They don't want to participate anywhere. They just go to the college, study, and just talk to their friends and come back home. By that, they are not smart enough to cope up with what a leadership quality he should acquire. So beyond studies, you have to do a lot of things. For example, in every college or every school, you know that we have a thing called NSS. NSS gives you a lot of scope for volunteerism, to do a lot of voluntary work. For example, if you join NCC, you have a disciplined life. You can be a really great force during calamities and all that. So joining NSS or NCC, or for the matter the Red Cross, or you can join as a scout, and then in different youth forums you can join. So very fact that in a college and school you have a platform where you can be a member in NSS, in NCC, in different social service activities, or a part of the Swachh Bharat mission, or a part of some voluntary work you do in the college, and this gives you to acquire a leadership quality. And this leadership quality will help you in most of your life, most of your activities, actions you take. If you go to an interview or if you go to any place where you have to speak something, so your leadership qualities will matter a lot, not only in your studies, not in your employment, in life also you can lead. Because always remember, a leader should know how to lead a group. He should understand the very fact that what is the quality of a leader. He is a person, he always encourages the people. He is a person who can really create a motivational part among the students. So acquiring leadership quality in college through these different forums is important. I would wish all of you, either you join NSS or you join NCC or Bharat Scout and Guides or in Red Cross, or in if you can join in Swachh Bharat mission programs, or you can join in some youth festivals, or you can join in some youth activities, like a lot of students are going there doing traffic, they are traffic guides. They can motivate the slum dwellers on certain things, or they can go on cleaning on the station, they can clean the hospitals. Sometimes they can go give the water to the people on the road who are in a distress condition. So these in fact bring you a lot of leadership quality. And self-defense for the girls is also another thing which has been started in colleges. All the girls say that they can join the self-defense program for the girls, which is being organized in colleges and schools. I tell you, my friends, that a leader is important. A leader can show the road. He is the man, he is the woman who can lead. So every student should lead, and for the leadership quality, you come out of your regular studies, join some outfit in these which are available in your college only, then only you can be leader. A true leader is required today. Thank you.